Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Nails. So I received a PR box from Model Ones or Modelons. I don't know how you pronounce it, and I'm going to review it today. So watch it till the end. So here is the PR box, and it looks so beautiful. मुझे Model Ones or Modelons, however you pronounce it, इसकी quality बहुत पसंद है and the packaging is so beautiful. I mean, if you are actually looking for a gift for someone who loves nail polishes, this is the brand for you. You can see how beautiful this is, how classy this is looking, and all the little efforts that they take in packing the nail polishes. It's just tremendous. So this is temperature inspired collection. This collection has 7 nail polishes. This is the wood cap collection. You can see all the caps are made of wood and it looks so beautiful. This is all the shades are inspired from temperature. This is 80 degree Fahrenheit and it's a beautiful candy orange shade. I will review all of them. I will share the swatches of all of them at the end, so watch it. This is 20 degree Fahrenheit and it's a beautiful, cool blue shade. Such a lovely shade. I love the sturdiness of the bottles. It's a gel polish bottle and you can understand the importance of the applicator and the packaging so that the nail polish doesn't dry out fast and it is protected from light and external factors, and the applicator helps you to get a even finish on your nails, a thin even application, so that it can cure properly and the nail polish looks decent on the nails. So let me show you all the shades first and then I will quickly show you swatches of all of them on my nails. I have also reviewed this nail polish collection on my blog, so I will mention the link underneath along with the link from which you can buy it. So go and check it out, have a good look at the collection and try it if you want. So this one is the first one, 100 degree Fahrenheit. It's an amazing warm red color which is perfect for the evenings and whenever you want to stand out. I really love the finish. It has a beautiful shine and looks really glossy and elegant on the nails. See how beautiful this is? The next one is 50 degree Fahrenheit, which is a pastel green shade. This can be a lovely base color for a nice nail art if you're, if you love to doing nail art on your nails. This can be a good one for you. The applicator is the best thing about this nail polish brand. The applicator brush is very nice and gives a smooth creamy look to the nails, and the formula as well. The formula is really nice. It settles down on the nails and it does not give off a very strong smell, but settles down on the nails and gives a even finish. The next one is below 10 degree Fahrenheit. So this one is slightly lilac purplish kind of color, pastel shade basically, and I really love how it looks on my nails. It has a very classy, soothing vibe to it, and I'm I'm pretty sure that you are going to love it as well. This entire collection, all the 7 nail polishes, are available on the Model Ones or Modelons website for under $50. So you can Like, check it out and order it if you like it. I personally love Model One's nail polishes. They are very high quality and very pigmented and looks beautiful on the nails. The next one is 40-degree Fahrenheit. It's azure blue kind of shade, very summery, very nice. Has a lovely beach kind of vibes to it. This is probably one of my favorite color from this collection. The next one is 20-degree Fahrenheit. This is also a blue color nail polish, but the blue is, it has, how to say it, slightly purplish undertones. Um, it's unique. It looks very unique. I don't think the pictures are doing justice to the color. You have to see it to know the color. It's very different. One of my unique shades. The next one is 60-degree Fahrenheit. This is a pastel yellow color. Not my favorite, but yeah, it can be worked out. It can be a nice base for a nail art, and I like how it looks, but not as much as I love the other shades. I think the blues are my favorite one out of the entire collection, and yes, the red one. The red one is also, I love the red one. The blue, the lilac, and the other blue that I shown before are my favorite ones from the collection. Lastly, it's 18-degree Fahrenheit. This is, again, I said, it's a beautiful candy kind of orange shade and looks very gelish on your nails. You will you will feel like it looks like a jelly kind of color. It looks like a jelly, and very summery, very bright, and bold. Out of all the shades that the collection has, red and the orange one are bold, vibrant shades. Rest of them are slightly pastel kind of colors. So, watch the entire in depth review of this collection on my blog. The link is given down below. So, thank you for watching. Bye.